Hello, mom. It's your son, King Drop. It's been a long time I've been at home, all alone. You were gone when I was young. I just wanna say,
Ngiyakhumbula wawuyikho konke. Ngiyakhumbula wawuyikho konke. Ngiyakhumbula wawuyikho konke.
Inzanzane lenhle ngumakhofa ngunini, noma belini, noma belishisa. I never understood, today I stand njengesibonelo. I don't wanna talk about my dad, but your dad was hard on me. I still remember as in yesterday, but I'm grateful and thankful. I'm not a street kid, I was never humble. I had everything I could need. Yes indeed, I thank family. Yes of course, I thank the Lord.
Ngiyakhumbula wawuyikho konke. Ngiyakhumbula wawuyikho konke.
Ngithwele for 9 months, I can't stop thinking, what life could have been, just like a bean. Let's get soda, let's get fertilizer from a farmer. Mom, you were four, I never had that. I don't blame you, God took you when I was young. I don't blame him, it does with a purpose. Because of him, I'm still living, I'm still moving. Live along, mama. I just wanna say, I miss you, you were my everything.